To download ChatGPT on Android, you won't need to visit the Google Play Store. Instead, open the Google Chrome app. If you don't already have it, you'll need to download it first. Once Chrome is open, type in the URL for the ChatGPT website, which is chat.openai.com. From there, you can log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Next, click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and a pop-up will appear. Towards the bottom of this pop-up, you'll see an Add to Home Screen button. Click on this. Regardless of whether you're logged in or not, you'll then be prompted to remove the URL and type in ChatGPT instead. After doing so, click the Add to Home Screen button again. Once this process is complete, you should see the ChatGPT icon on your Android's homepage. You can click on it and use ChatGPT just as you would on a computer.